this video we will discuss quote request statuses settings for the request quotes purposes. The quote request statuses settings are located in the Admin panel, General Settings, Sales Module tab, and it is the fourth element of the list of available settings. Quote request statuses settings allow selecting the full request statuses that are available when quoting. These are the statuses here. Selecting the status is quite easy. It can be done in this drop-down window by selecting the missing status or the required one. Once the status is selected, it will appear on the list, and when we save the setting, this status should also appear on the list of quotes when either refreshing, creating a new quote, or opening an existing one. So we've added the status done. The status done appeared. In order to remove the status, it is sufficient to go to the Sales module, Quote Request Statuses, and click on the status available on the list. So we, for example, remove Done and Option. Update the settings, and when we go back to the Request Quotes editing page and refresh it, the statuses Done and Option should be removed. And this is how the statuses can be selected and set up from the Sales module settings.